Most entrepreneurs think writing from scratch shows creativity, but the truth is, it often wastes time and kills results. The smartest entrepreneurs know a secret. They never start with a blank page. Instead, they use proven frameworks and templates that already work. Here's the shocking part. Studies show people spend an average of 5 hours staring at a blank screen before finishing just one piece of copy. That's 5 hours of lost energy that could have gone into growing the business. And it gets worse. When you try to invent everything from scratch, you miss out on psychology that has been tested for decades. That's why big brands use formulas like ADA and PAS in every ad and email. They know structure sells. So why do most entrepreneurs still struggle? Because they think starting fresh is more authentic. But customers don't buy authenticity. They buy clarity, emotion, and trust. Here are 3 tips you can apply today. Step 1. Always start with a proven framework. Whether it's attention, interest, desire, action, or problem, agitate, solution, these formulas guide your words, so you never guess. Step 2. Adapt, don't invent. Take templates that already convert and simply plug in your product details, benefits, and customer pains. It feels faster and it works better. Step 3. Focus on the reader, not the writer. Copy isn't about showing how clever you are. It's about showing the customer what's in it for them. That shift alone can double conversions. And here's the fun part. Even successful entrepreneurs laugh at the idea of writing from scratch. It's like trying to reinvent the wheel when a sports car is already parked in the garage. Now here's where most people get stuck. They know frameworks work, but sitting down to apply them still feels heavy and time-consuming. That's the real problem. This is where AI Creator Max comes in. It has over 100 templates for titles, blogs, ads, and emails, all built on proven psychology like ADA, PAS, and more. Just answer a few simple questions, hit generate, and your copy is ready. It helps you write 10x faster, so you spend less time writing and more time selling. Try it free today. Link below. Bonus tip: test 2 versions of your copy every time. Even a single word change in a headline can boost clicks by 20% or more. This video is part of a mini course playlist on copywriting that sells, so binge the rest to get the full playbook. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment on your biggest copywriting struggle. And don't wait until tomorrow. Apply what you learned today and try AI Creator Max free at aicreatormax.com, because every day you wait is another day of lost sales.